Did you know there's a forest where trees are only a few inches tall? In the Arctic tundra, you'll find the world's smallest forest, where trees grow to be just a few inches tall. This miniature forest is made up of dwarf willows and birches, which stay tiny due to extreme cold, strong winds, and frozen soil. Despite their small size, these trees are hundreds of years old, proving that even the tiniest forests can survive in the harshest environments. For more fascinating facts, songs, and stories, visit www.youtube.com at HighTen Kids.